Alright guys, so today we're going to do an unboxing of a laptop computer that I bought for my daughter. Um, it's actually wasn't that expensive on Amazon. I did a lot of research on the Amazon laptops. Very good one for the Amazon laptops. It's definitely better than the one she had. The one she had was very old. So I just opened the package up so you can see how it's packaged. It's in a box like that. Had some blow up bubbles wrap stuff around it. Here's the actual computer box. Let's make sure there's nothing else in there, please. All right. So this is an HP Stream laptop, 14-inch display. Got Windows 10 in S mode, 14-inch AD, HD, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Intel Celeron 4 gig, 64 gig eMMC. I got it in pink. You could choose your color. It was like white, black, gray, or pink, and there was rose as well. Give me a pair of scissors, please. If it's gonna focus in here or not. There we go. It said something like, I think it was 10 hours of runtime on the battery. Oh, it came with a extra memory card. I got the bigger one. It's like external memory card, you know. I forget what size. I think it was 164 gigs or something like that. So it's in here. We'll open this up. Scissors. You want to open that package, please? The blue thing's like extra memory, I think. I'm not exactly sure. I'm not a computer genius. I'm gonna pop open this box with scissors. So I open up the one side. Come here, please. You gonna hold the camera for me? Sit there. Don't hit any buttons or any of the screen. You just hold it while I pull all this out. I got that. Get the paper. Nothing left in there. Thank you, Walmart HP card. Warranty. Questions, answers. Different languages. Setup instructions. If anybody ever reads those, huh? Alright, this has power cord in it. There's the power cord, nothing else in that. All this paperwork over here. Nothing else in this. Don't see anything else in that either. I'll put this in the link below if you're interested in one of these. I'll put the link below so you can see. This is for packing as well. It's like nice metallic pink. Lots of USB slots, HDMI, headset, SD card slot, power output. That's the power button. I don't think it's got any. Oh, it does have a charge to it. It's coming on. First boot up. It's taking a minute. Like it? Okay.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on Narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to the United States. Is that right?
Yes. Yes.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
Yes. Yes.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
Skip.
Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible. How about the first one on the list? Want to use that one?
No. No.
Okay, how about this next one on the list?
No.
0 for 2. I'll quit guessing now. Go ahead and select the one you'd like to use.
Oh. It's not touchscreen.
Now type your credentials.
Hit pause. Get your finger out of it. There you go. All right, we're all hooked up.
Now we have some important setup to do. Now let's see what's new from Windows. Next up, the legal stuff. In short, you'll need to select Accept to use Windows. You can decline.
Don't really have much of a choice on that, do we?
Type your email address or phone number, then follow the instructions to sign in. I'll catch up with you once
Hit
that's
pause.
done.
Now we're going to create a pin. Okay. All right. Pins in.
These are the settings Microsoft recommends. Go ahead and review them and select Accept when you're ready.
So I don't know much about this. Oh, it's not touchscreen. So I'm just going to go ahead with that and accept it because I'm not really a computer genius. Some of you are probably screaming out, no, don't click yes on this one, but I don't know, so. Wait a minute. I don't know about the advertising ID. Whatever, we're going to leave it like that for now.
Based on the activities you choose here, you will get a personalized experience as you set up your device.
You're going to be using it for school and gaming, right? Gaming and school. Right? Accept. All right, dear Lord, freaking
Now let's
puppy.
link your phone and PC using a Microsoft app that can work some magic between your devices. We'll send you a text to get everything set up. Just type your phone number and press send.
All right, next. Click it and do it. And...
I need to install something first.
Okay,
Look,
install.
that's me, Cortana. Can I have permission to use the info I need to do my best work?
Yes. Yes.
Your device manufacturer would like your contact info to send you updates and such.
Looks like we're here. I think that's it. I think that's all set up. Let's go ahead and do. I'm still thinking. No, it's not. Heck with that. Okay, get rid of that. We want we got Chrome in here. It's hard for you guys to see. It's hard for my phone to focus on everything. It's all the different programs in it. Okay. Brand new web browser built for Windows 10. Explorer Edge. Okay. Whatever, that's gonna be it. All right. Let's go somewhere else. Let's go to YouTube. YouTube.com, and we'll see how fast this computer is. Even though this is the first time it's downloading anything. Oh, and that's obviously your signed in keys, not because there's all your freaking stuff here. Let's see. This freaking seems to play fast. Everything goes quick. Alright. Alright guys, I think we're set up here. We did all the setup and the unboxing. I'll put this computer in the link below. If you are interested in it, just click the link. If you got any questions on this, I mean, obviously as we use it, we'll know more about it. We can answer what we know. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if this is helpful in any way, shape, or form to you. If you want to do any advertising on here, message me. I'll be more than happy to have you. Peace.